In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear and start over in TurboTax for a new 2020-24 return. We'll begin right at the TurboTax website. Sign into your account the same way you normally do. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct account, especially if you've used TurboTax before with more than one login. This helps ensure you're working on the right return before making any changes. Once you're in, navigate to the area that manages your current tax return. The layout can vary, but you'll typically see options like Ahidahom or My Returns. Head there to view the return you're working on. The goal is to reach the dashboard or manager where TurboTax lists your in-progress return and provides tools for managing it. Now, look for the option to clear all your entered data. In some versions, you'll find a dedicated Clear and Start Over button. In others, it may be tucked into a Settings or Tools menu. Take your time exploring the menus on the left or top of the screen. If you don't see the option immediately, make sure you're in the correct return and not in a completed filing. Keep in mind this feature is generally available before you file. If a return has already been filed, the option may be unavailable. When you select Clear and Start Over, TurboTax will ask you to confirm. Read the prompt carefully. Confirming this action will permanently delete the entire return you've entered so far, including any income forms, deductions, credits, and personal details you've already added. If you want a record of what you entered for your own reference, consider saving or printing a copy before you proceed. Once you're sure, confirm the action. After confirmation, TurboTax will remove your previous information and reset the file. You'll be brought back to the beginning so you can start fresh. From here, begin a new return for the 2024 tax year. You'll go through the standard setup questions again, re-enter your personal information, and then proceed to your income, deductions, and credits. Take advantage of the guided prompts. TurboTax will help you rebuild your return step by step. A few quick tips as you restart. Double check that the tax year displayed is 2024. Verify your filing status and dependent information early to avoid downstream corrections, and enter income forms carefully to reduce rework later. If you're using imported documents, reauthorize those connections during this fresh start. That's it. You've cleared your return and started over cleanly, setting yourself up for an accurate 2024 filing. Thanks for watching, and take your time as you work through the restart so everything is correct from the beginning.